Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Hearthstone mobile game. So let's get started right away. Inside the Hearthstone game, you will only find the option to switch your account. So in order to log out completely, you will need to follow these steps. Just go ahead and open up your phone settings and then tap on apps. Now from the apps page, just scroll down and search for Hearthstone. Once you find the game, you can simply tap on it and this will take you into the application settings page. Now from this page, scroll down and tap on storage. And now just go ahead and tap on clear data and then press the delete button to clear your Hearthstone game data. Now once you do this, all of your login information will be deleted and removed from the game. After doing this step, simply go ahead and open up the Hearthstone game once again, and then your login information will be removed and you will be asked to log in to your account once again. And that is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.